What is up, you guys? I'm so excited because my Shop Disney Friends and Family haul just arrived. This one came in like 2 days. I was just waiting for everything. I don't know, everything got shipped separately, but yeah, I'm excited to open it. So you guys, I'm gonna open this really quickly. This certain package, I'm gonna open it off to the side because my address is just on both sides like 5 times. So I'm gonna open this one off to the side. All right, so this is a necklace that I found, and I'm so excited because I'm gonna go to the Jolly Holiday event, and we are going to wear this necklace. Open it real quick. It's really tiny, which is really cute. It just says Jolly. Okay, now we're gonna open this one. This one arrived in 2 days. This is the fastest I ever received something other than Amazon, and I thought that was really cool. And look at it, so cool. I've seen like bigger ones, and my wrist is pretty small. Let me see if I could get it on. Hold on, I'm gonna put it on another time, and then I'll show you after I put it on. But look, it's so cool. Okay, and this one, I said to open on this side. So, real quick. Okay, so I got a lot of shirts for my son. So we got this. This is pretty big. What size is this? Whoa, you guys. Is this a sweater? I think so. I should leave him. But also I want to see like the fabric and stuff. He looks so cool. If you guys didn't know, my son and I, we share a Chinese zodiac. We're both rabbits, and so let's see, what size is this? I think I got a medium. This looks cool, right? And also in the back. And then I got this one. I'll leave prices. Should I open it? Yeah. I'll leave prices in the video of how much it was and how much I spent. Wow, this is like a really good thick shirt, and the quality of the print is really cool. Right, so I always wanted a Nike Disney item, and so let's see. Finally, I seen something that wasn't sold out that was Nike Disney. Oh my gosh, this is a really good quality fabric hat so you don't sweat. Oh, cool. What is this? Oh, my Starbucks cup. There was one that was sold out. It was Magic Kingdom, so I got the Hollywood Studios. And I wanted the other one because it was blue. Oh, this is upside down? No. Okay. So cool. If they have the blue one, I'm going to end up getting the blue one, but it probably won't be on sale, but that's okay. But I really want the Magic Kingdom one. Okay, so that's for that box. And one more box. I think I got like 2 shirts in here. They are the new style of the Mickey Mouse throwing up the peace sign. So I just want to show you really quickly what it looks like. Yeah, it's just these 2 shirts. So like this. I'm not going to open them because they're white, but I'm going to show you what the back looks like. They are white and they're long sleeve. Okay, you guys, this is my little Disney haul from Shop Disney from their friends and family event. I will leave all the links below, and I will catch up with you guys real soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.